Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Tanmay Nihal. I am a detective Tanmay Nihal. Where is the thief? Just kidding. Okay. So you have already seen the subtitle. So that's true, and we are going to make a finger paper bird with paper only, not glue and sellotape. We just need a square paper. Okay? Okay, is it okay? We need a square paper, then you can make me. So let's begin, and we need few things to make this finger bird. Okay, so we need a pen, okay, sketch pens, a pencil, and nothing. Yes, one thing, and that is my colors. You can use this or you can just use sketch pens, but I will use both to color this part, this brown part. Okay, now let's make. So I will take a paper, my paper. Today I am going to make a paper bird. It's going to be interesting. Okay, now this is my square paper. So first fold it like half triangle. Okay, it's going to be done, and not in just seconds, it will take minutes to make this. Okay, it should be perfect. See, and open again, and you have to make it like a kite. First side, I have done the first side. Okay, now the second side. I will do the second side. Yes, the second side is also done. Now this is like this, and fold it. You understand this part? Then is it like this? Then fold it. You can see this. This is the longer part and this is the short, and the shorter part is the beak and the bigger part is the tail. So this is joint without glue. So what we have to do, first make it equal from middle. For that you have to fold it. Okay, yes, you have to fold it like this, and we got the middle. And from that you have to fold this one, this beak part you have to fold like this, and it is done. Yes, on that line only, it should not be opposite. Done. The second, yes, you have to fold this part. This is like this, then you have to fold it like this. Means it should not be like this, it should be like this. You can see. Sorry, it's my fault. Okay, then it's done, and you have to do one more thing. Do it like this, and then you have to tuck it. I will fold it properly. It should be proper, or else your bird will not look good. You have to first do this part very carefully and very nicely. Then only your bird will look nice. I know you can do this. Then you have to tuck it. Okay, how to tuck it? Here is like this. Then you have to put it in. Done. Yes, now it is tucked. It is now tucked, and you can say joint also. Okay, then we have to color it. My favorite part. So I will give the same color how I give in this. So my yellow, I got yellow color, and I will, as I told you, I will give the same color. Start. Okay, so the beak is going to be done in few seconds, and the beak is done, as you can see. Now the eyes will draw with pen, and then we will put blue sketch pen. So first we will draw the figure of eyes. Okay, yes, now I will use yellow. Something change, not yellow, purple. I don't think so. Purple and blue is looking some different. Yes, now feathers. Feathers we will draw brown, as I drawn in that. Yes, my brown, yes. So first I have to draw the figure with the pencil. Where is my, yes, my pencil. I will draw the figure. Okay, the figure is done. Now I have to color it. I will, yes, I will. I think so. There is, I used something, another brown, but this is only that brown. Yes. Now, yes, it is done. The feathers, I think so, already done, means it is done. Yes. Okay, now we have to color the body. Oh no, we forgot to put this. My pen does not work on the colors, so I will use sketch pen on the color. Okay, yes, to make it a bit dark. Yes, now it's ready. Now we will use green. Yes, we will use green. Dark green, and this is a sketch pen. You have color oil pastels also, that will also do, that will also work. So you can use oil pastel also, but I am using sketch pens. Yes, and the coloring part is also going to be done. Now I will use some dark oil pastels also on it, so it will look good. You can go to my channel and see the dance video of Papa Kehte The and all my videos you want. Yes, and one last tip. And now it is this side. See guys, and it is looking beautiful. You can put your finger here and here. Hello. How are you? I am fine. How are you? Let's fly in the air. Video. Bye guys.